Okay, we're up at Cliff Divers, and Stanley is a truck driver coming around the corner. He's going to demonstrate a loaded log truck going around the railroad switchback. So this is he's going in. So this is 15% going down, going back into the first J hole. And then normally log trucks will be doing this in reverse order. And so he's backing down, which would be the one that log trucks would back down, which is about 7 to 8%. And just for added degree of difficulty, we put a little bit of a curve in there. But you can kind of see how he's doing. Pretty simple. And this is the area that'll be tricky for the log trucks because they have to swing wide and get their rear ends pointed going up that backup ramp that he just came down. So now he's going to pull forward and go down another 15% grade and hit a standard switchback. And he'll kind of disappear from our picture here almost. There he comes. And just a standard switchback down there, 50-foot radius. And that's how it works.